Hi, my name's Jake Hicks, and today I wanted to take you through one of my cinematic studio lighting setups. I'm just going to talk you through each of these lights one by one. We're working with a brand new Anova PRO 3 here today. This is going to be my key light. Ordinarily, what I would do with a setup like this is kind of work backwards towards the key light, because ordinarily the key light is the easiest one to set up. It's the one that's going to be lighting the model. We know that that's going to be fairly easy to get right. What I do tend to start off with is the lights that I can't really adjust the brightness on. So if that's daylight, maybe that's a tungsten bulb in the room that I can't adjust. In this instance, we're going to be using a projector. It's just a regular movie projector, something you'd watch like the football on or something like that. So this is the one that I can't really adjust the brightness too much on. So I set this up to illuminate the background and then adjusted my camera settings around that. I'm at ISO 100, f2 at 125th of a second. That's my baseline. All the other lights I can really adjust around that one. The other issue is going to be this, which is what I refer to as like a practical light. So this is going to be in shot, and I can't set this so bright that it's illuminating her because it'll just bleach out. So I just have this on a little bit just to give it a bit of a glow. And then what I'm going to be using is the EOS 2 Pro here to actually light the model. In here we have tungsten bulbs, which are historically very warm, going to give an orange glow. So what I've done is I've set the EOS 2 Pro here to 3000 Kelvin, so it's all the way down, keeping it super warm to match these tungsten bulbs in here. And this one is set to about half power, about 45% there, okay? And that's going to help to give me this edge light on this side of the model. Same goes for on the opposite side, so similar sort of feel. I want that nice tungsten orange warm glow. So again, that's going to be set to 3000 Kelvin, and that one is, because it's quite far away and up super high, so that one is set a lot brighter, about 80%. But when those two lights hit the model, they'll be kind of about the same exposure. And then we've got our Anova PRO 3, which is going to be our key light. Now this key light is actually going to be slightly cooler to separate our model from the other warm lights that we've got in the set. So this light is set to 10,000 Kelvin, so it's all the way up there, nice and cool. Also on the Anova PRO 3, we've got the smart softbox, and this one is set to 100% diffusion, again, just to keep it nice and soft on the key light for our model. Today I'm shooting with the low contrast filter on my lens, again to give that kind of cinematic feel to it, plus we are going to be using a haze machine, again just to give us a little bit more separation between our model and background. So let's get some shots. That's nice. Have you looking down on this side? That's it. Yeah, beautiful. Perfect. I'm going to have you looking sort of up over here. Yeah, lovely. Now I'm going to take you through this setup one light at a time. To begin with, I would turn on the projector. Next, I would bring in the tungsten lamp. And then to match that, I would bring on the EOS 2 Pro, and then mirror that on the other side with another EOS 2 Pro, and then finally bring in the key light of the Anova PRO 3.